Welcome to this guide on how to add TXT and other records in cPanel. Today we'll walk you through the steps to manage TXT records for your domain. The same procedure applies to adding other DNS records, such as SRV, CNAME, DMARC, and so on. Okay, let's start managing TXT records. First, log into your cPanel account. If you're unsure about the login process, check out our guide linked in the description below. Then, use the search bar and type Zone Editor to quickly find the option. Find the domain for which you want to change DNS records and click on the Manage button next to it. You'll see a list of current DNS records associated with your domain. If you're not sure about what to change, it's a good idea to take a screenshot or make a note of the existing settings. To add a TXT record, click on TXT under the Filter option. Then click on Add Record. Select Type as TXT and then enter the appropriate values. For example, to add Google SPF records, enter your domain in the name field and the following line in the record field. After that, click on Save Record. You can always restore the DNS records to the default settings. To do that, click on the Action button, then select Reset DNS Zone and confirm. You have successfully reset the DNS zone for your domain. Remember, DNS changes might take 4 to 24 hours to propagate across the internet. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like and subscribe icons for more. Stay tuned for our next tutorial. Until then, happy hosting!